Hello everyone, welcome back to day 4 of the 21 days English challenge. Remember, small steps every day create big results. Today's topic is very simple but powerful. The use of this, that, these and those. If you learn this rule, you can talk about things around you very easily. So, first one is this. For one thing close to you. Example, this is my pen. Second one is that for one thing but far from you. Example, that is a tree. Third one is these. For many things close to you. Example, these are my books. Fourth one is those. For many things but far from you. Example, those are stars in the sky. Daily life sentences are here. Repeat after me, okay? This is my phone. That is your bag. These are my friends. Those are all houses. This is a nice idea. That is my school. These are fresh fruits. Those are my shoes. This is my seat. That is a good movie. Don't stop until you are proud of yourself. Keep learning, keep improving. So friend, today we learned how to use this, that, these and those in English. Your challenge for day 4, make 3 sentences of your own using each word and write them in the comment. I will check them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily practice. See you tomorrow with day 5.